Tayo! Hello my friends! Today I'm going to be showing you our local hobby shop here from where I live. And I'm going to give you a tour from one of my favorite hangout places called the War Room, which is owned by my friend Albert Labrador. He's a member of, by the way, the Philippine Living History. Mostly they dress up like German officers, Japanese imperial soldiers, and they reenact history. So here it goes, my friends. Right now I'm at Lil's Hobby Center in Mega Mall. This is a hobby shop in Manila. Let's go. Wow, look at all the selections. Yeah, this is a great place for hobby people. Also is another good, great art supply brand at Beer Mega Mall. Good art and supply stuff. Yep. Let's go in. Foam. That's Vallejo, right?
Vallejo din.
Hopefully with your deliveries right now, kasama yun.
Apo,
I'll try my best. So alcohol na lang, ha? Foam.
Kasama.
Ano dito na face review?
Okay, oo. Look at that stairs, man. That's why I said, you see, you understand? Sir Albert, this is Bongers. Bong, that's Albert. That's Mr. Herr Albert Labrador. See? Look at them, war gaming room for all these stuff. With your permission, Sir Albert?
Yeah. Declare mo na kung ano. Declare mo na kung
Yung isang set, it's really
kailan tapos siya? You should have it slow. There's so much. Figuring out where to put one.
This just came in.
yeah,
Yeah, it's
authentic,
it's an
right?
officer's uniform. That's a Spanish cross right there for people who served with the Condor Legion.
Okay.
That's an assault badge, the silver assault badge. That's the wound badge, second class Iron Cross. I mean first class Iron Cross.
First class.
Second class Iron Cross, and then the,
Iron Cross.
Yeah, this one.
Wow.
Have you seen the captain?
Yeah. Typical uniform, short sleeve, very lightweight,
Ah, yeah, okay.
and then the pants are just
Yes,
tied
I want
on.
to see the pants.
Yan lang.
Oh, ganda rin ito.
Tali lang talaga.
Yung boots po nila.
Leather. Woo! Oh, oo nga, no?
These are the Japanese boots. And then that's a Nambu holster, sun helmet,
It's comfy.
enlisted man's hat.
You can walk miles.
Putties. These are the ones that you see wrapped around their ankles.
the ankle.
Yeah.
Oh.
Galing.
So we
What
really-
use is that? It's this for?
It protects the
from the snake bite?
ankles.
Snake bites,
It's good for
elements.
support, and it keeps dirt from entering your shoes.
Okay.
So you don't get pebbles in your shoes.
Oh. What kind of pistol do they have? What kind of?
Nambu. It's a small. It kind of
Caliber.
looks like a Luger, but it's got a full action.
Is it very efficient for? Or
They say they were really badly built.
Those are his models.
Oh, I see.
Did you see the Panzer IV?
Yeah. Galing nga.
That's a crazy build, man. That was a dare.
Pero papaano din sila? Ilan papaano din?
Nice. Wow.
Look at that.
Then this comes off like that.
Oh my God.
And then
Holy
135 po to, no?
this is 135. When you can take off the service hatches.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Oh, nice. Very nice. That's the engine, and I don't know how, guys, your eyes, because my eyes are bad already. So
I don't
know
have
how,
them.
I don't know how you guys, like paint that sort of
At this
stuff.
age now, I don't have. Has a Panzer IV turret with it.
Ah.
So it's basically a combination of those two kits, plus a lot of other accessories from Dragon.
Oh, okay.
Nice interior.
Nice interior. The problem is how do you display it?
Yun, yeah, that's a question. Yeah. Thank you very much. I'm glad I was able to share that to you. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd like to send my apologies because lately I've been busy with work and I'm not able to do several projects, diorama projects for that matter. But I assure you I'll be coming up with a few, and hopefully that will be exciting. And yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, and see you soon. Please subscribe. More dioramas coming. Thank you. Bye, guys.
'Cause it looks like you're a fallen angel, and wherever you have been now, baby, I don't wanna know, don't wanna fight, just wanna stay in this if only